How to copy link in Amazon application. Let's go. Open Amazon application. Choose some product. For example, you would like to copy link of this product. Click on it. Go down. Add to add list. A shopping list, click on it. And then go here. Click list. Shopping list. And now click on invite. You get two options here. You can send the link and they can only view your list without making edits. Or you can send the link and they can edit your list. For example, remove your items from your list. We're gonna do view only. Click on it. And now just copy link. And we're gonna test it, paste it. And that's it. This is how can you copy link in Amazon application. Thank you for watching. My name is Marty. If you want to support me, please subscribe and see you one click later. Bye.